Here's a great deal on a 2007 Pontiac Torrent. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, and one-touch window functionality. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.